Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks and a video about object to path. A lot of people don't know, and maybe I didn't even realize for a while that you could draw, take object to path with a broken line. These lines they're connected together, they're grouped together. But if we take this dot, and what I like keeping the original, and then hold down my shift key and select my path. Uh, we're going to go 55 and just see what it does. And it's going to put it on those paths of that broken line. Now, some of the lines are longer or shorter, so it does that. But see, I still have my original. Now, if I would have grouped both these together, I'm going to hold down the shift key and select that. And now I'm going to go to object and, well, I can't combine it for some reason, but I can group it. Now grab my dot. Well, there's the problem. I had my dot in the group. So hold down the shift, grab that, and still can't combine it, but we're going to group it so it's grouped together. Now grab our dot, hold down the shift key, grab our line. This time we'll do 100 because we're going a lot further. And it did it. It took a little bit longer than I was thinking. But what I like about us, I hit it twice. I like my original. Now, it's slowing down my old laptop down, but these green items, if I control G to group those two together, I can do the same thing with this green dot. Let's just keep it on 100. Hold down the shift to grab our path and hit apply. That's pretty cool. Now, evidently I just had the one line selected, but that's what I wanted to show you. So I'm going to go to object, group, and ungroup, and then grab this green, hold down the shift, grab all these greens, and now go up to object, group, and now grab this, hold down the shift to grab our, and you get this, which is pretty cool. But it's pretty cool that it will do it on a broken line. This did it on 6 lines. Let's do a broken line. Let's make a 2-point line, stop it, make another 2-point line, stop it, make another 2-point line, stop it. And you can see the distance between them. They are separated because I used individual lines, but we're going to grab all 3 lines and go up to object. And this time we can combine them. But now I'm going to grab that dot, hold down the shift and grab this. We'll go ahead and go with 100. And it's not going to put dots where my line's not there. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.